Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be me doing a look with the Karity Unicorn Dreams palette. It says it comes with 15 magical pastel shadows. So I'm not really sure what kind of look I'm going to do. I'm flying by the seat of my pants right now. So let's just dive into it. Using my Ipsy L34 Blend Beauty, I am going to go into this light pinky shade, Hoops, and just use it as my transition shade. So I am having to dip in a few times into the shadow in order to build up some color, but they're blending nice. It's not chalky, it's not streaky. So this isn't a bad colorful palette for somebody to use who's just beginning and is afraid of color. I know I'm still afraid of color. I don't want to put too much on and have this mess that I can't really blend out, because you can always build up, but you can't really take off. I mean, you can take off, but you have to start all the way over. Okay, next, using my Morphe M441, I'm going to go into this dark brown shade Forest, and I'm going to tap just really lightly. I just want to get a crease shade, but there isn't a lighter shade that I would use for my crease right now. And using a clean brush, we're just going to blend the harsh lines. Okay, now that I have my sort of eyeshadowy base colors laid down, I need to make some decisions here. So I'm going to go back in using my Morphe M441, and I'm going to go into this tealy blue shade Noah, and we are going to pop that in just a little bit of the lower crease, just below that brown color Forest. And as always, blend. Next, using my Glamour Dolls Romantic Rose brush, I'm going to dip into the deeper teal color Fairy Tale and just blend it into the crease and a little bit into the outer V. I'm going to take it really far out into the outer V and blend. And using my Morphe M433, I'm going to go into this glittery deep purple shade called Believer. And this is going to go into my inner V. Kind of just packing it down. I really want to get a good punch with that color. They're blending nicely. And using my Sonia Kashuk number 106, I'm going to go into this lime green color Gallop. And just going to put it on my eyelid. Using my IT Cosmetics number 124 Airbrush Precision Smudger brush, I'm going to go into this light purple shade Main, and we're just going to buff it into our under eye. This one you kind of have to really pack on. It's not too pigmented, and it is a light color. Okay, I want a little bit more color, so using that same brush, I'm going to go into the shade Magical and just buff a little bit into my outer under eye. Using my Real Techniques detailer brush, I'm going to go into the shade Sparkle and just place a little bit into my highlight of the brow bone. Using the same brush, we're going to go into the color Sparkle and just place a little bit in the inner corner. Alright, real quick, I'm going to put on some eyeliner and some mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. This is a really nice palette. Some of the shades needed a little layering. They weren't as opaque as I would have liked them to be, but for $25 for 15 shades, this is a really good starter palette for somebody who is afraid of color. I feel like I should be on a unicorn. So these have some really nice magical colors. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day. Bye.